Ruby Lane Marketplace is an online community for antique and vintage dealers, offering a curated selection of high-quality, one-of-a-kind items from around the world. With a focus on exceptional customer service and a commitment to authenticity, Ruby Lane has established itself as a trusted source for collectors and enthusiasts seeking unique finds. The platform's user-friendly interface and secure payment system make it easy for buyers to browse and purchase items directly from the dealers themselves, while its rigorous vetting process ensures that every item listed meets the highest standards of quality and authenticity. Whether you're looking for antique jewelry, vintage clothing, or decorative arts, Ruby Lane Marketplace is a must-visit destination for discerning shoppers. Ruby Lane's affiliate program offers a unique opportunity for individuals and websites to earn commissions by promoting their curated collection of antique and vintage items. With a 15% commission rate on all sales generated through affiliate links, this program is an attractive option for those interested in antiques and collectibles. Ruby Lane's website boasts a high conversion rate, ensuring that affiliates can earn a steady income through their efforts. Additionally, affiliates have access to a range of marketing materials, including banners and text links, to help them promote the site effectively. Overall, Ruby Lane's affiliate program is a great choice for those looking to monetize their website or social media presence while promoting high-quality antiques and vintage items. To create a store on Ruby Lane Marketplace, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Ruby Lane website, w.rubylane.com, and click on the Sell tab at the top of the page. 2. Select Create a Store from the drop-down menu. 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information, including your name, address, phone number, and email address. 4. Choose a store name and select a category for your products from the list provided. 5. Upload a profile picture and banner image for your store. 6. Set up your payment and shipping methods by connecting your PayPal or bank account and entering your shipping rates. 7. Customize your store's layout and design by selecting a theme and adding your logo and branding elements. 8. Start adding your products to your store by uploading high-quality images, writing detailed descriptions, and setting prices. 9. Preview your store to make sure everything looks good, then submit it for review by Ruby Lane's team of experts. 10. Once your store is approved, start promoting it on social media, other online marketplaces, and through word of mouth to attract customers.